Hello, very good to have you with us. This is English News Broadcast live from the headquarters in Asmara at 10:30 p.m. Today is Sunday, 10th of September 2023. First, the top stars. President Isaias Afwerki sent a message of condolence. Training on administration and leadership. Over 100 terrorists killed in joint Syrian-Russian military operations. U.S. President Joe Biden has arrived in the Vietnam's capital on a visit. President Isaias Afwerki sent a message of condolence to King Mohammed VI, expressing his profound sorrow and solidarity of the people and government of the Eritrea with Morocco for the loss of over 2,000 lives and huge devastation caused by the earthquake that struck many parts of the country. In addition, President Isaias sent condolence to the families of the deceased, wished the injured as speedy recovery, good health and stability, and peace for the Moroccan people. The National Union of Eritrean Youth and Students branch in the southern region organized a training program to 171 youth, including 77 females from the 12 subzones of the region on administration and leadership. The training included administration and leadership concepts, political leadership, practical experiences of leadership and administration, leadership and communication, leadership and organization, as well as basic parameters of law and leadership. Mr. Saleh Ahmedin, chairman of the National Union of Eritrean Youth and Students, stressed the importance of enhancing the leadership skills of the union's leaders at all levels and noted that 90% of the National Union's members are students. He urged the trainees to take the initiative in carrying out the union's programs in their respective schools. The trainees' representative thanked the National Union for providing the training opportunity while outlining its efforts to increase members' overall capabilities. The residents of Keren City, government employees and associations are carrying out extensive water and soil conservation activities. According to Engineer Isaias Resom, water and soil conservation expert in irrigation farming, the popular campaign includes construction and renovation of terraces and water diversion schemes and planting tree seedlings, and so far over 12,000 tree seedlings have been planted and over 123,000 terraces constructed. Engineer Isaias also called on the public to conduct regular follow-up on the tree seedlings planted for their safety and sustainability. Mr. Yazib Abdel, acting head of the Ministry of Agriculture branch in the subzone, on his part said that the residents are conducting the popular campaign since July and commended for the strong participation that they are demonstrating. We are live on ERi-TV. Stay tuned for international news. At least 111 foreign-sponsored Takrifi terrorists have been killed and 80 others wounded after Syrian and Russian forces jointly carried out a string of strikes against terrorists based in Syria's northwest province of Idlib. Syrian Ministry of Defense said in a statement yesterday that the days-long intense and precision operation in cooperation with Russian Air Force were in response to flagrant violation committed by terror outfits in the southern countryside of Idlib. The armed terrorist organization, supported by some regional and international parties, continue in launching repeated attacks on safe villages and town and sites and positions of the Syrian Arab Army adjacent to the de-escalation zones in the Idlib and Hama countryside. So, Syrian-Russian force carried out qualitative operation in the aforementioned sites. This is according to the statement. The statement also added that the Syrian army launched heavy and concentrated strike on terrorist headquarters, fortification and ammunition depots, effectively disrupting their capabilities using a variety of firepower such as artillery and multiple missile systems. Biden, who flew to Hanoi from the G20 summit in New Delhi, disembarked Air Force One around 4 p.m. today. The Western leader aims to hold talks with the leader of Vietnam's ruling Communist Party, Nguyen Phu Trong, today and tomorrow. Biden will meet with the president and the prime minister. In Hanoi, Biden will discuss ways to further deepen cooperation between the United States and Vietnam. According to the White House, the leaders will explore opportunities to promote the growth of technology-focused and innovation-driven Vietnam economy, expand our people-to-people ties through education, exchange, and workforce development programs, combat climate change, and increase peace, prosperity, and stability in the region. Biden will also hold talks on semiconductors and critical mineral and sign off a comprehensive strategic partnership with Vietnam's officials. This is according to media report. Washington has been pushing for the upgrade of ties for months, as seen the Southeast Asian manufacturing dynamos as the key country in its strategy to secure global supply chains from China-related risks. Now we have the recap of the top stories. President Isaias Afwerki sent a message of condolence. Training given on administration and leadership. Over 100 terrorists killed in joint Syrian-Russia military operations. U.S. President Joe Biden has arrived in the Vietnam's capital on a visit. It was me, Salem Berhane, with the news for tonight. Thank you for being with us. Have a good night.